How to properly wear a mask. It's been all the rage. We're still wearing masks even on to 2021. But what people don't know is you need to make sure that your hands are clean before you apply your mask and before you get out of your vehicle, before you go into the store. I see a lot of people getting out of a vehicle, then putting their mask as they enter the store. You're touching the doorknobs, then you're touching your face, then you're touching your mask and then the face. That's a no-no. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Amber, and you're going to want to make sure you grab your handy dandy mask. It's going to be very helpful in this tutorial here. So you want to make sure, whether it's an N95 reusable mask or homemade mask, that the mask fits very comfortable on your face. And so in doing so, it's breathable, it fits snug on your nose and the bottom of your chin, and you don't have any room for any other excess things to come into your mask. You want to make sure that you wash your hands first. That is the key thing to do before you touch your mask and place it on your face. In doing so, you want to make sure that you have a mask that fits your face properly and is comfortable. And so when you put on your mask and with your clean hands, you want to separate the bands, then slowly apply it to your face. And then you start with your left side and put the band around your ear. And then you start on your right side and put the band around that. And so after it's applied, you want to make sure you grab the top and the bottom, spread it so that it's comfortable. And then you grab your hand sanitizer and you clean your hands after touching your mask, especially if you're going out in public. So I hope you got a lot of value out of this. Please leave in the comments below. How are you wearing your mask? What's your style? Does it fog up your glasses? Are you tired of wearing masks? Put that in the comment below. Check out this next video about how to properly wear your mask in public.